Probability is the measure of likelihood that an event will occur, and the notation that we use for probability is P of A, with A being the event. Probability is calculated using theoretical probability, which is P of A equals the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. In this case, for probability, outcomes are equal to choices. There are many ways we can use examples to find the probability. For example, you can use a standard deck of cards, or you can use a standard die, which has 6 outcomes. In our case for today, we'll be using a coin. So, for finding the probability of flipping a coin, there will be 2 outcomes, either heads or tails. So the probability of heads is equal to 1/2, or 50%, which means that the probability of tails will also equal 1/2, or 50%. Additionally, you can use multiple probabilities and examples to find the probability of one thing. For example, the probability of rolling a number less than 5, which would be a standard die, and the probability of flipping a coin and landing on heads would look like this. You could either get heads or tails 1, heads or tails 2, heads or tails 3, heads or tails 4, heads or tails 5, or heads or tails 6. So, like I said, the probability of rolling a number less than 5 and landing on heads would equal 4 out of 12, because altogether there are 12 outcomes and there's only 4 numbers less than 5. So, 4 of 12 simplifies to 1/3, which then simplifies to 33.4%.